Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a weekend vlog and I'm really excited. So it's Friday night and I got home from work just about an hour ago, and then we went to Chipotle for dinner. And I got home and I was like looking under the cabinets in my bathroom and I realized there's so much crap in there. And so right now I'm going to organize all the stuff I have under my sink, and I'll show you guys the little baskets I have. I'm going to try and throw some stuff away and then put the other stuff in another place because under my sink is so chaotic. So that's what I'm going to do right now. It's such a fun Friday night. I just pulled out the stuff. I had these two bins. One is supposed to be for Taylor and one is supposed to be for me, but it turns out both of them are for me now, which is probably unfair. So I need to go through and get rid of quite a bit of this stuff, and so I have more room for under my sink. So that's what we're gonna do. So right now I'm just kind of pulling everything out, and then I'm gonna do the same to this basket, and then I'm gonna sort it. I'm gonna make a garbage pile, and then I'm gonna make I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like a hair basket and a skin basket, because then Taylor again doesn't have one. So I'm just gonna kind of see what I have after I go through everything. So yeah, let's do that. Here is everything out. I'm gonna go wash the baskets out and then put stuff back in. I decided to grab this basket as well. It's just kind of my blow dryers, straighteners, curling irons, that kind of thing. So yeah, got quite a bit of random stuff here. So I've decided I'm gonna give myself a basket and then Taylor a basket, and then if I need to put some of mine in his, then that's okay. He doesn't have a ton of stuff, which is actually really nice for me. But yeah, so I'll show you the piles I've made and then I'm gonna stick them in the baskets. Here's all my hair stuff. I have like root lifter, dry shampoo, Kevin Murphy texture spray, Amika texture spray, volume stuff. My hair is very flat, so I need all the volume I can get. Volume and then hairspray. And then I have some facial stuff like my face wash. I have two kinds of face washes, the hydrating and then the foaming, but I actually prefer the hydrating because the foaming dries my face out. I have this Jo Malone soap that I'm like kind of trying to save because I just love it. It smells so good. I have this face oil, nail polish remover, and then I have all like my lotions and stuff. So I have this daily moisturizing lotion that I use almost every morning because it's really light. Something spilled. I have this magnesium lotion that I rub on my sore muscles. I like it a lot. Just my body lotion. This is, actually I got this from a hotel we stayed at. Some chi lotion, and then sunscreen, and then shampoo that I switch out every once in a while. And then this is my stuff, not this. This is my stuff for like post shower. So this is the leave-in conditioner I use. Sometimes I use this one, use my Moroccan oil occasionally. And then I love this R&Co texture or thickening spray. Gosh, my camera's not focusing. There we go, R&Co thickening spray. And that's it for my product stuff. So I'm gonna stick all of this inside of one of these baskets. I found this. It's just a little bath soak, so I'm gonna put this in my basket. I also just have to say I'm a Diva Cup user, so there's that. Hope it's not TMI. That didn't take me very much time and I'm already feeling so much better about it. And little mess. Oh, and also this is everything I threw away, so I didn't actually have that much stuff. So I'm just throwing away a hairspray bottle that doesn't spray, a thing that's half empty of soap, old shampoo, and a face wash that doesn't even work. So there's that fun little garbage bag. I'm just gonna figure out how to clean these up so I can even find what I'm looking for. But I have two blow dryers. I definitely only need one, so I'll get rid of one of those and then just kind of take care of the rest. I decided to put all my curling irons, straighteners, and blow dryers into this little smaller bin instead of this one because it was so big and there was a lot of extra room. So I put all of the stuff that I had previously in one of these baskets into here. I just think it fits so much better. And now I'm gonna go stick it all under the sink. Okay, it looks so much better. I'm so happy with it. So here's the after. I have my favorite bin, of course, and then Over here I put all the curling irons and stuff, and then Taylor's bin right here, and then in this one I do all of the towels, so I like it. I definitely just got a little carried away. I cleaned out my entire bathroom, my drawer, Taylor's drawer, and it was a lot of fun and I'm feeling much better about it. But now I want to show you guys. So I want to give away on Instagram. It's from this very cute girl. She does have a YouTube channel and I'll link it down below. Her name's Sarah Tribbett, I'm not quite sure. But she does no sugar and no gluten, no dairy, all that kind of stuff. She's like so healthy and I love her videos and I love her Instagram posts and recipes, and I won one of her giveaways and I'm so excited, and I just got it in the mail today, and so I want to show you guys what's in it. So it's a Lily's dark chocolate box, and I'm so excited. I think it's just a lot of very delicious stevia sweetened chocolate. So here's the pretty box. I actually love the box. It's already so nice. I've had Lily's chocolate before. It's amazing. So I'm really excited about this. So I literally haven't opened it, so this is really fun. So it says, welcome to the Lily's Sweets 21-day no sugar added challenge. I mean, honestly, if I could do no sugar for 21 days, I would be very happy with myself. But here's, I think these are just some cute recipes, which is so nice. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna check it out. So the first thing is this super cute little container. So it opens up, and then this opens up, and then this opens up as well. It's very, very cute. And then the chocolate. My gosh. Yes. So I'm gonna pull out all the chocolate and then I'm gonna show you all the flavors I got. This is so fun. Oh my, these are the best, these chocolate chips. They're so stinking good. One time, it's the saddest story. One time I was like walking to my car and I had opened these, and they were really expensive chocolate. Like, this is good stuff. And I opened these chocolate chips and the whole bag spilled in the parking lot, and I was a poor college student buying Lily's chocolate. It was such a sad day. Oh, there's 2 bags. That's so nice. And an awesome water bottle. Dang. Feeling pretty lucky. I like never win anything, so that was so fun. Here's all the chocolate. The flavors are caramelized and salted. That's gonna be delicious. Extremely dark salted almond, creamy milk. I'm really excited for this one. And crispy rice. Here's my little giveaway box, and I love it. It's perfect. Okay, I'm all done cleaning for the night and organizing, and I showed you guys my little box. And I think I'm just gonna go wash my face and then get all my stuff ready, because tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up early, go to my eyelash appointment, and then we're gonna have a ski day. So I'm excited. I'm really nervous it's gonna be cold, but I just want to make sure I have everything ready to go. So I'm just gonna gather up my ski stuff and then I'm gonna go wash my face. I just keep all my ski stuff in a bag, so when I go skiing it's just all there. So these are my ski socks. I have my ski pants. I have these little glove inserts that I put in my mittens, and then I have my little mittens, and then I have my goggles, my helmet, and my neck warmer. And then I just have to make sure I have like my sweater, my thermals, and my ski coat. But I'm gonna leave this stuff out tonight so it's like warm when I put it on in the morning, because it was in my little closet that's very cold. So yeah, fun ski day coming up. Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday. It's so early. It's okay for a Saturday. To me it's early. It's 8 a.m. I'm awake. I'm going to my eyelash appointment. It's 16 degrees, so it's very cold. And yeah, so I'm going to my lash appointment and then I'm gonna go skiing. So the goal is to be skiing by 10 a.m. So my lash girl is really fast. She's the best. She's super great. And yeah, so Taylor's calling, but I will see you guys soon.
Let me see your funny face.
Do it again, do it again.
No,
We're going skiing, guys. Hey, what are we doing?
They're doing it slow because people are getting on.
We're going skiing, but we're on the gondola and it's going really slow.
That's because people are getting on.
Shredders! Who's ready to shred?
Bill Nye the Science Guy, Bill Nye the Science Guy, Bill Nye the Science Guy, Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Dinosaur!
William and Karli right here. William's just a little ski dude. Just put your brakes on. Big pizzas.
Okay guys, I'm home from our ski day. I didn't get a ton of footage because it was freezing, and anytime I would take my camera out of my pocket and take my glove off to film, my hand would totally freeze. So I didn't get a ton, but I'll put in what I did get. But I got my lashes filled and my eyebrows tinted, and I love the way they look. I love when the tint gets on my skin and it just kind of like fills my brow in really nice. So the brows are looking good and the lashes are looking good too, and I still have the blue, which I don't know if you can really tell, but I do have the blue, which is really fun. So I just got home. It's almost 9. I'm gonna wash my face, make sure I don't get my lashes wet for 24 hours. And I also just got a ring light in the mail actually, so this is my first time using it, and I turned the lights off. I gotta play around with it and just kind of figure out how I like it. So far I think it looks really good. I have this little light that I usually would use, this mirror, but it just wasn't doing the trick, I don't think. So this is going to be much better, and it's going to hopefully help my videos be better. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see more of. I'd love to hear from you guys. I love the comments I do get. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video, and thanks for watching.